DIY.
I was using an AI website, right? It said, hey, upload 15 photos of yourself, Curtis. We gonna show you something really crazy, but AI. And I was like, that sounds interesting. This is one of the pictures they put, and it pissed me off. What in the AI is going on with my eyes? Why my skin so soft? You know who this remind me of? Who the hell told AI to make me look like I own B-Stars? You can't tell me that I don't look like I own B-Stars. You know, shout out Abe. He ain't got that eye that I got here, but that's wild. Y'all want to see some more of this bullshit? You want to see some more? What in the DJ Khaled and shit? What in the nav is going on here? Who is that? Look like I ate my left side. I don't even own a sweater like this. Joel Ortiz looking ass. Why do I have a backpack on? I've never been a part of G-Unit ever in my life. What's going on with my hand? If that ain't Nav, I don't know who it is. If I had skin like this, I'll be making TikToks. My daily skin routine is if I had skin like that. I look very happy to have two eyes that are allergic to each other. Why they do my beanie like that? I ain't never in my life wore my beanie like that. Who I think I am, Jesus? What is that? Curtis look like he own a hookah bar. You are a sick man. You are a sick man for that one. Curtis Academics. Now they just being funny. Like, where's the brim of my hat? And why am I holding my neck? Why do I have a Bluetooth speaker in my ear? What in the granddad is this shit going on here? Oh, you know, I make a little lo-fi here and there. Head ass. Why I got a shirt? That's a midriff. Small ass brain. Artsy head ass. Complex magazine head ass. No, you go first, head ass. Believe in yourself, head ass. I'm a YouTuber, head ass. Welcome to my funnel, head ass. Wise, head ass. One more thing I want to add, head ass. What is this? I look like an international DJ. I look like I rock parties with a bunch of LED lights. Head ass. K-pop head ass. Is this my best side? Head ass. Why these headphones look so stupid, head ass? Who tickling my beard, head ass? Babyface head ass. I fix your damn transmission, head ass. Soft sweater Laker color having head ass. 60-year-old you Curtis King head ass. Sometimes I do artsy things on my own, head ass. Before you love anybody else, you gotta love yourself, head ass. I don't even know what this is, but this is just disrespectful. I just put a big ass light skinned nigga next to me for no reason at all. AI was like, man, we gonna make him look real futuristic on the left side. Just put a big light skinned nigga on the left of him. Beautiful mind, head ass. Don't know what gang I'm from, head ass. This is sickening. Ha! Mr. Beast head ass looking. Woke head ass. Now this one. Why they got me on a picture here with Queen's Flip? And why am I scratching my chest with a nub? What is that? Yeah, I'm about done here. I've seen enough. And that's the AI y'all worried about replacing you. Sickening.
DIY.